All right, what I'm making here is it's a template. This wood piece is a template, but these screws coming up here, it's made to, it's going to be buried in cement. So I'm going to put this into the form, pour the concrete over it, and leave about 2 inches of screw above the concrete, so I can mount a big water filter, big cast iron water filter, and then I'm going to put my, just so that I can mount it into the cement without having to drill holes into the cement. You might say this looks like it's a little bit harder, but it's actually a lot easier. So what I did here is I put the screw, I put the big bolt rather, put the big bolt through there. Then I put a washer down on top of the wood, and then I put a spacer in, one of these spacers right here, to because these bolts have this this lag part, and you've got to tighten the screw down. So in order to be able to tighten the screw down, I put this over it. So when it goes over it, oh, that's the wrong one. Shoot. Well, they're still in the package here. So, but they're in the package here. So, but that's what this is right here. So I could tighten it down, and then it pushes this little head here, this little recessed head. This head recesses right there in the wood, kind of holds it a little bit tighter. And so now these things are going to be solid and tight. So when I put my water, they're going to cement in there, and it's going to be perfect the way the pattern is, because I did the pattern first before I started this process. I just put holes in there. You can see the holes that I drew through the water filter, that big cast iron water filter. So when I bury this, as long as I put this side on the street side, I marked it street right here. I don't know if you can see that or not, street. Okay, so the water filter is going to go this way, and then I'm going to attach my mailbox to it. Which is kind of a cool thing out here in the country. People put mailboxes on all kinds of weird things, old tractor stuff and things like that. So I'm using an old water filter that we no longer use. It's just kind of neat. And so I'll take another clip when this is done.